Good day, Sir Arna. My name is Rebecca Regala Salgarino, grade 12 ABM. For this video representation, I will answer the questions of this activity of EAPP, or English for Academic and Professional Purposes. For the questions number 1, what is person's emotion? My answer is, emotions appear spontaneously in the people depending on the situation. When a person talks to someone who is comedian, his emotions will come out and he will be happy and laughing. When a person goes to the deceased family, his emotions will appear and sad. The emotions is called an autonomic nervous system, and it is sets of a series of impulses of the brain and body which leads to physical and physiological effects. Emotion shows in physical and mental states brought on by neurophysiological changes variously associated with thoughts, feelings, behavioral responses, and a degree of pleasure and displeasure. For the questions number 2, what are the effects of emotions to intelligence? The answer is, the effects of emotion to intelligence is to have a better self-motivation and a better communication skills. These skills are essential for academic performance to those students or people with has a higher levels of emotional intelligence, and also they have also self-awareness of all things of living. For the questions number 3, when do the emotions show? The answer is, a person's emotion can be seen through talking and socializing with other people and or a person's family, and be able to show emotions in every situations or events in our life. For the questions number 4, when do the intelligence show? The answer is, to show one's intelligence by studying in school and finding important information and studying the things to be learned in life. Intelligence depends on the effort in learning from those people who teach the right important things from school or researching an important informations by research.